Let's okay na. Let's understand the things. So in that, right, in that, hmm, what we will do now, we will create one logging application, right? com.rk.bean logging bean. LOGIN logging bean, right? Again, now in the logging bean, what we will do now? Now private what? Private string, right? String what? Private string username, right? Private string what? Password. Private string password, right? Now I'm taking what? Logging, right? So I'm injecting the data as what? Constructor. Now what I will do now, let's take one method, public void show. Public void show, in that just sys out, right? Sys out what? Username, password, right? Two things I taken here, right? Now so let's create let's write what? Configuration file, right? Let's write configuration spring. Then what we will do now, we will go inside the resource folder, right click on that, new, again what, we will select spring bean configuration. If you not find here, right, what you have to go inside other, right? Inside that just search spring, right? Spring related all configurations, so select spring bean configuration. Now next, again what you will give spring any name. This name can, you can take any name dot, but xml must be, extension name is must be xml. Now next, okay, so in that again next it again what, beans, select beans, right? After then in the down you will get multiple ssd, select first one. Now next, now finish. Yeah, it's open, okay. So now beans tag, I said that beans tag already is there, right? In the diagram also beans tag already there. So how we will write these tags? We have need to write it, right? These tags we have need to write it. So what we will do now, let's write it. Now bean is there, inside that what? ID, right? id equal to just I'm taking what? Logging. Name I'm taking what? Logging. But after then second one is what? Class is there, right? Class is there, inside that what? Logging bean. Logging bean class is there with fully qualified name. In which package is there? In which package? com.rk.bean, right? With and what is the class name? What is the class name? Logging bean, right? So now same things, but what we will do now here, com.rk.bean login we will take, right, with fully qualified name. But we have need what? In that bean, right? In this bean, which kind of injection is there? Constructor injection is there, right? So we have need to configure with which tag, with which tag? Constructor r size, constructor what? Constructor argument, right? So in that what? Name, one attribute is there. In the name attribute, what we will take? This data means data type name we will pass it, right? This data type name we will pass. After then we will give the value for this data type. What we will take? Just Ravi, I'm taking Ravi at the rate gmail.com username, right? gmail.com again. But another one more attribute is there, so we have need to set it, right? So we have need to set it. So what we will do now, we will do that what? Again one more tag we will take, right? Constructor arts tag, again we will take it, right? In that what? Name, again what? Name attribute. And here what we will do now? Password. Now password. Now value. What we will value? We will give the value also. What we value we will give it just 1 2 3 4 means any value I'm giving, right? 1 2 3 4. So now this bean configuration is completed now. Okay, now this bean configuration is what completed now. So like this. So if we want to insert the data, right, insert the data using constructor, right, using constructor, so we will configure those things by using white like this type constructor as type, means we are injecting the data, right, we are giving the data to whom container, and container will inject what data to this bean class, right. These things is called what constructor injection. So let's run the application and we see the output. Okay, now we will see that output. So let's test it, right, in the test class. Again, what, let's write in the test folder. What we will write it, test class, right. So let's com dot rk dot test folder I'm creating. Inside that, just test bean with main method, right, because standalone application is there, right. So now, so okay, now so what we will do now, again, now let's, what is that application context, right. AC equal to what, new, what, class path xml, right, class path xml, application context is there, right. This, inside that, what we will do now, this spring xml configuration, means xml configuration we will pass dot xml. Yesterday I explained, guys, these things, because of that I'm not stressing these things too much, right. So now, so if we want, think about that, right. So whenever we need, right, like we don't know na, how to create bus, means how to build the bus, right. So where we, if we need what bus, right, so where we are taking in the factory, right, in the factory we are going the factory, and from the factory we are buying the bus, right, means if we need to car, if we need car, we are going showroom, right, means factory. This is the factories. So because we don't know how to create what, means how we don't know how to build what bus or car, right. So same thing, same like here only, right. So spring people given what method, we don't know how to create bus object, right, means in the real things, in the reality, what we are saying that object, everything is as a treating as a, in java means object only, right. So same like we don't know how to create bus object, so we are going to bus factory. Same like we don't know how to create logging object here, right, we don't know how to create logging object, so where we will go that, we will go that, means means logging bean factory, right, logging bean factory means, so factory method, right. So same like factory method. So what is that application context, in application context, ac dot what, get bean method is there, get bean method is there. This method is what, this method is what, factory method. This factory method will return what, actual bean, logging, our logging bean object, from whom, from the container, right. It will search in that container based on with what, this xml configuration id. Why we are taking this id, to recognize our class in the container where our class is running. Now second argument we will see that what, login bean, right, login, logging bean dot class, right, logging bean did dot class, and it will return back what, again it will return back what, logging bean object. Again it will return what, logging what, logging lb object, right. Again it will return back what, lb object. Now let's lb, we got it now, lb dot, just show the data, just call whatever the method is there and run the application, and it will, we don't have create the object, our spring will spring is creating the object and inserting the object, and we are getting the result. We will see that output. See, ravikant@gmail.com 123 password. Whatever things we are means in the XML configuration, using constructor tag, we injected the data to whom container, and container is set the data inside where, in the bean class, and we got the result or not. So these things is called what, we seen as a practical also or not, constructor injection. So this is only what constructor injection, guys. Till now anybody having any doubt, let me know that, right? Let me know that. I will explain again I will explain, right? Because first I touch what core java concept, right? In the core concept, how we are setting the data in what attribute. In that we are saying that constructor, what we are setting using the data in the constructor, right? But here that things is only called in a Spring terminology constructor injection. And these things is happening with via whom in constructor, right? Yeah, yes, Safad Khan. Yes, unmute yourself. And any doubt? Yes, you can unmute yourself. I will tell.
So in Spring, that the container is responsible for creating
Uh,
the object every time when we
yeah,
need it.
yeah, our container responsibility
Okay.
is creating the object and injecting the object based on what configuration, our configuration. Here we are not creating, right? Here, see, here we are not creating, just in the
But
configuration, XML
yes,
configuration we just configure that. And here in the logging win, just we what took just we took what constructor, right? Constructor with both those
yes,
parameters,
yes, yes.
and we configure in XML
So,
configuration. And
agar,
here hmm, yes, yes, what is your doubt?
yes, yes. So the object creation, uh,
uh,
so the object creation is totally done by the container. Okay.
yeah, study in the study.
So in if we are doing a long project or
Hmm. If we develop big application, right? So
hello,
in that, yeah,
am I audible?
yeah, you are audible. Just ask whatever your question is there. Hello.
Yes. So we don't need to every time create an object, right?
Not every time, anytime you need. No need any time to create object. Our
Okay, fine,
container
fine, fine,
responsibility.
sir.
Yeah, our container responsibility is there. Container will create the object, right? Yesterday I said, what is the responsibility of container? Creating the object, initializing the object, and linking the object, after then destroying the object. These four responsibility of whom? Container, right? Those responsibilities taking care by container. We don't have need to do these things, okay? If a little bit, if clarity is not there, watch yesterday video is there on YouTube, right? So then you will get clear picture, right? So I said that in my today session based on if I took today's session, right, tomorrow session also based on this session, right? So again and again previous things I can't explain, right? If I explain, then Spring framework become 10 month 7 month it will take 7 months 6 month time, right? So don't stress me. Because of that I'm uploading on what YouTube. Between the session, if anybody come and again they will say that he explain again initial things, it's really so problem for me. And who is daily what whoever daily using what means attending the session, those people will also what irritate, right? So don't do these things, guys. So okay, so we got it. But let's understand. We understand in XML configuration, right? In XML configuration, we got the point, right? How what type, like how many type, right? So means think about that, right? Think about that one more time. So little bit modification, little bit. Let's see the modification, right? So but if remove, I'm going to remove this one, right? I'm going to name attribute, I'm going to remove it, right? I'm going to remove it. but but still with but still what but still our data will inject, right? So but still, but let's run this, right? No need, just run it. So we got the result or not? See, we got the result, Ravi Khan, and means. So in this case, right, in this case what happening, we are not giving what any name in what XML configuration. So sequential format, in the sequential format, what dynamically will check, our IOC container will check, and dynamically what will happen, data will store, right? Data will store. But do one more thing, right? What you will do? So based on the first index, right, our IOC container will check what is the data is there in the first argument. Based on that, it will insert the data, right? Insert means sequential format. Our IOC container will store the data in the sequential format. So now, okay, now sequential format. So let's see that our IOC container is storing the data in the sequential format or not. So we will paste it, right? First we take what password argument, and the second one is what. So now what we get, first username and we get the password results. Now let's run again the application and we see that our IOC container is injecting the data. Now we get first password. Now the data is stored what, first password, after then what username, right? After then username, but this is not correct. In the argument, first username is there, second one is what, password is there. So because of that, so one more tag is there, right? One more tag is there. What is that? One more tag is there. What tag is there? Hmm. Yeah, index is there, right? We will give here what, index number, right? In which, like, index in the any format we will write that we can inject the data, right, in any format, but based on the index, right? Index number. For index number we give what, one. And here what we give, index number, right? Index number, here what we give, just give here what, zero, means zero index number, right? This one is what, zero index number. Sorry, this one is what, zero index number. Now then again we get what, we will get what, correct result. Means again what, container will conduct based on the index, right? In it will check in where username is there, where password is there. Then what it will do, now it will what, insert the data and we will get correct result. See, Ravikant and username. But in XML configuration, first what, first what is there, 1 2 3 4 is there, right? Means password is there, second one is what, username. But still first what the container is doing, what is the container is doing, first username is doing, means injecting, after then what, password is injecting, right? Password injecting because of what, because of this indexes, right? Because of what, these indexes. So now another one more type and things is there, right? Another one more things is there, type, right? But in this problem, if we take, right, type also, right? But ambiguity, but if we take type tag, right, if we take type tag, then we will get ambiguity problem, right? Ambiguity, because both are string, right? Both are string. If one is int type and another one is what, another one is what, like I will show that, right? I will show that if username is string type and this one, then it will work. Index type tag will work when, at what time, whenever both argument is different, right? So let's see that first problem. Let's see that first problem, right? So now I'm taking what, type means string, right? String, right? Now again here also I'm taking what, type. Now type, right, string, both are string. Let's run it and we see that what is the error we are getting. See, we got the error or not? What is the error? Unsatisfied dependency argument, right? Refresh. Parameters, see what is that? Ambiguous. See, I said that na, ambiguous argument. So means this one, if both argument, means in the bean class both argument is the same data type, then it will not work, guys, right? So but if means one, like username is string and this one is what, int data type, right? Int, if int is there, now this one is int, right? This one is int. If this one is what, int is there, right, then it will work. Now let's see that, just I make that one was as an int, and what I'm doing that here, just I'm taking what, int. Just I'm taking on now what int. Let's run it and see that, and we get the result. Oh, sorry. Why it's but one more things, right? But the things must be in the sequential format, then it will work. I think 1 minute. Let's check it. Why error we are getting? Still we are getting what error? What is the attempting factory unsatisfied dependency logging? Why still ambiguity is saying that? 1 minute. 1 minute. We have the patience, guys. Okay. Oh ho ho. Okay, now. Why we are getting that? Now this is the int only, right? Yeah, see, actually I did not save that file because of that, right? See, if different data type is there, right? If different data type is there, then what type attribute will work, otherwise it will give what ambiguity error, right? So but more convenient, this one introduced in spring what spring version 4, right? Named attribute. So but more convenient is what you have to use what name attribute only, right? Name attribute, no need to use what those attribute, because this one is more convenient. And if people are using why I shown sometime, in interview the people is asking, because of that I explain those what those tags, because of that I explain those tags, otherwise no need, right? But in the everybody in the real time, the people using what name tag only, right? But first XML also no one is using, but if anybody using, then those people using what name attribute only. Based on the name, if you take this constructor before also, right? But our IOC container will inject in the same parameter only, same argument only. It will not differentiate, right? Because of that, what we are using that name attribute, right? So till now the things is clear, guys. Now till now
Yeah, yes, sir.
hmm, so one more, let's understand object type now. Object type injection, right? Object type dependency injection, right? Means how if means the dependency is there in the bean, right? In the bean, dependency is what? Let's understand in the bean. 1 minute. Let's understand in class, dependency is what? Dependency is object type, right? So how we will configure those classes, and how we will inject that class, right? How we will inject that class, let's see as a practical, right? Let's see as a what practically, right? As a practically. So let's understand as a what first on here. First let's understand here, right? So like object type dependency, right? Means plan service. Just I'm taking one plan service because I wrote in the project one planning concept also, right? So plan service and plan DAO, right? And that database means we will imagine it that class is what? That class is interacting with a database, right? I'm not going to write database logics. Don't worry, don't scare. Still we will learn slowly, right? Whenever we will jump in another module, right? Then I will write big application and how use cases and all those things. But here, right, we are learning what spring basic things, means core concept, right? Like A B C D we are learning. If we learn ABCD, we can write paper, right? Big code I will write, don't worry about that, right? So let's understand what object type dependency, right? Object type dependency. Object type dependency, right? Let's understand what object type dependency. Let's what we have, so how we will write it and how we will configure, let's see that, right? Let's see that. So we will inject using constructor only, guys. I will inject that, I will inject that object using what, constructor only. But let's see that, right? But let's see that what we will see that now. Let's one package. 1 minute. This is one class is there, right? Package com dot rk dot what, rk dot plan, right? This is one class is there, package here there, public class plan service. Plan service, right? Plan service, this is one class is there, right? Inside that what, one plan DAO, just I'm taking one plan DAO, right? Plan DAO, public private plan DAO dependency, private what, private plan DAO, right? Plan DAO, plan DAO, right? Attribute, right? So how we will inject, I'm going to inject this plan DAO using what, constructor only, right? So how, public, right? Public plan, class name, plan service, right? In service, what we will do now, we will take what, plan DAO, plan DAO, right? Plan DAO, right? Inside that, what we will do now, this is what, this is our class, this is our object, right? This is our object, means this dot what, plan DAO, okay? Plan DAO, this one is small, plan DAO equal to plan DAO, right? This object is there, right? This is what, dependent object is there, and means one more class is there, right? Here one more object is there here with is a relation, because we are going to use what, object dependency, right? Object dependency, then com dot package, com dot rk dot what, rk dot plan DAO. This is what, plan DAO, plan DAO class is there, right? Inside that, what, public class, right? Public class what, plan DAO is there, right? This is the class. Inside that, just I'm taking what, one method only, right? Public void, what, public void display, public void does display, just logic is there, right? Logic is what I'm writing, just system dot out. Here logic is there, at the time of practical we will logic, right? Logic is there, and here one method also we will take inside that, right? Now here we will take one method, public void so inside that, what we will do now, inside that what, just we will take the plan DAO, right? plan DAO dot what, plan DAO dot what, display method we will call, and we will see that what, we will see that class object reference, like so. But these two classes is there, right? Means object reference. So let's see how we will configure these two classes in what, XML bean configuration, right? XML bean configuration. So now, okay, so how we will configure it, and we will see that, and we will test it, right? So now let's see that. again 10 minute meeting is there, guys, right? 10-minute meeting is there, guys. Based on this application means this explanation, my next explanation is there, because of that I'm doing these things, right? So don't worry about that, right? What concept we are learning, that is the more important. In interview people definitely ask, right? Because of that I'm explaining these things. Otherwise constructor injection, I in the first application only I can stop it and we can move on what next discussion, right? Why I'm not going next discussion, some concept I have need to explain, right? Because of this what this scenario, because of this scenario I'm explaining those things, right? I will not leave, guys, okay, until unless I'm not able to give you people clarity, right? So now let's see that how we will write. So bean, right? Bean tag is there, beans tag is there, right? Inside beans tag, what is that? How we will configure that, right? How we will configure that? Now bean id equal to, right? Bean id equal to, what is that? What is that? Plan service, right? So I'm writing what? Plan, plan service. I'm taking one logical name, right? Class. Here what we will write? Class we will write it, right? Inside that what? Com dot rk dot what? Plan dot what? Plan service, plan service, right? So we will close this bean tag, and after then here bean, close it, and after then what? Bean tag we will close it, right? Inside that bean tag, what we will do now? Inside that bean tag, right? So inside that bean tag, uh, to inject what? Reference type object. For that, what kind of tag is there? But how we are injecting that means how we are injecting the data using constructor, right? Using constructor we are injecting what? Object reference, right? In where? In this plant dependency. So how what is the tag is there? Constructor, because we are using what? Constructor injection only, right? So constructor hyphen args. Now constructor hyphen args. Now name, we will take what? Name attribute, right? In the name attribute, what we will pass? Plant deo, right? The name is what? Plant deo, so we will pass it plant deo, right? So now but here see, if we inject the reference, right, it means object type. For that, which tag they given? Ref tag, right? We will use here what? Ref tag. But there, to injecting primitive data type, what we are taking? That we are taking what? Value, right? Value type, right? But here if we want to inject what? Object type, for that reference ref what? Ref tag is there, right? For that, what? Ref tag is there. In that ref tag, what we will pass it? In that ref tag, right? What we will pass it? Just I'm giving here space, right? I will tell what we will pass it right here. So now, so but in that beans tag is there, right? In that, so let's see that. So again, so how many beans class is there? Those many what? Beans, right? Beans tag we have need what? Those many bean we have need what? To configure, right? So again, so we have need configure this bean also, right? So how we will then child tag in the, see, beans tag is there. Inside the beans tag, one beans means we took one beans. For that we configure this bean, right? Now we will configure this bean also. For that also bean we will take bean. Now another id attribute. For that also, what we will do now? We will give what? Plan deo, plan dao, right? Plan dao, just I'm giving logical name, right? Under this logical name only, what we will do now? This logical name only we will pass here, right? We will pass here, right? So based on this logical name, what our IOC container will inject? What? This object, right? This object. And here what we will give? Class, right? Here fully qualified name class also means com dot rk, this class package with class, right? Rk, right? Rk dot what? Plan, rk dot what? Plan dao, right? Plan dao, right? Plan dao. Now this RK class plan DAO. Now we configure it, right? Again, what we will do now? Again, this bean we will close it. This bean we will close it, right? This bean we will close it. So like this, we will give the configuration for object type dependency to inject. If we want to inject what object type dependency, our what in bean dependent bean class. So we will write like this tag, right? So let's see that as a practical also, right? So let's see that just meeting is what 3 minute, guys. Okay, just meeting is what 3 minutes. Again you have to join it, guys, right? Don't leave, right? Don't leave, because the next discussion is what our next discussion is constructor inject means constructor overloading is there, right? Overloading concept, right? In the so much confusion is there, because of that I'm explaining this one, right? So I know that how to represent the subject front of you people, because of that I prepare the things like this only, right? So don't I see, if you leave, right, I can't help you people, right? So now okay, let's see that. So now one login bean is there na. So I'm not going to do another setups, just I'm going to delete these things in this project only, right? In this project only I will delete it, all those things. Okay now, because if I create again project and all those things, the same things we did in the previously, so no need to do. We know that all setup we completed here, right? So we will write all those things as a scratch level only, whatever the things is need, right? So, but dependency. So now what we will do now, let's create the package, right? Create the package and bean class com dot rk dot what rk dot what rk dot plan plan service, right? Plan service is there now. Plan service class is there, right? Now take it. In that, what we will do now, again one more package, let's create it. For that what, what plan DAO, right? Plan DAO. Now this one is what, plan DAO. Now plan DAO is there, right? In this plan DAO, just what we will take, one method, public void show. So inside that what, system dot out dot sysout plant DAO data. Just I'm writing, right? So now again what we will do now, here we will create for what, plan attribute private plan what, plan DAO, right? Reference type object. We will create what here, reference type object. Now plan DAO, right? This attribute I'm going to inject using what, constructor injection, right? So I'm injecting this data as what, constructor injection. Now after I will write one more method also here, right? Public void data. Just I'm writing here data. I will call this method and we will see that if we are getting the result or not. So what, plan DAO dot what, display what method, show, right? Method I took what, show method in that, right? Now okay, we created. Now let's configure this in what, XML configuration. Now what we will do now, we will go inside that resource. Now new, right? New spring bean configuration. Now spring dot XML, right? XML, next it